Now, teachers lathi charge in Lucknow. These teachers have already been selected for the post of junior teachers and they were demanding their appointment when they were lathi charged. Pranshu joining us with more details. Yes, Pranshu.
Well, see, these were the teachers who have been around a year back selected for the post of junior teachers in the basic schools across Uttar Pradesh, but appointment is still being withheld. They have not been given the appointment letters, and that's the reason why around a few hundred of such teachers were trying to protest in Lucknow. And during that protest, they tried to move towards the highly secured zone of the Vidhan Sabha, and there they were lathi charged outside the Vidhan Sabha. Some minor clashes took place. In fact, some of the protesting teachers have sustained injuries, which also some women teachers. So that is the situation right now. Some of them have been detained and taken in the preventive custody, have been taken to the police lines. But as of now, the stretch outside the Vidhan Sabha that has been cleared of the protesters. And this protest took around an hour back in front of Vidhan Sabha, where the mild lathi charge took place in order to disperse these protesting teachers.
All right. Also, Pranshu, but this entire situation also raises questions on the lapses by the state government in terms of appointment of these teachers, because the results were declared a year back.
Well, see, as far as the teachers' issue is concerned, there are several levels of exams going on, and the appointment delay in appointment is a basic bone of contention over the past few months, and that's the reason why these teachers are protesting. We don't have a specific information from the government as why these appointments have been withheld, probably because of some court cases. But these teachers were clearly protesting and trying to pressurize the government, mount this pressure that appointment should be declared immediately. And in that course, this confrontation outside Vidhan Sabha, they were lathi charged.
And these visuals are very disturbing, Pranshu, at this moment, because these teachers were protesting peacefully outside the Lucknow Vidhan Sabha.
Well, see, they were peaceful, but they were trying to assemble outside Vidhan Sabha without required permission, because the region outside the Vidhan Sabha is banned for such protests. And recently, Lucknow has seen a lot of issues of traffic jam following the protests in the busy VIP areas, and that's the reason why today the authorities were not allowing anyone to move towards Vidhan Sabha. When these protesting teachers insisted, force was used to disperse them.
All right. Thanks, Pranshu, for getting us those details.